Python is a great language. It is easy to read. Many people start with Python. You can build many things, like websites or games, or simple helpful scripts. Python is very powerful. You will enjoy learning it. It has a friendly community. Help is easy to find. When you write code, errors happen. This is true for everyone. Even experts make mistakes. Errors are not bad. They are messages from Python. Python tells you what is wrong. This helps you fix problems. So do not worry. Errors are part of learning. You will get better with practice. Python gives you error messages. These messages have special names. One common error is, there are other errors too, like or. Each error tells a story. It points to an issue. Learning names helps you. You can understand problems faster. Then you can find solutions. Understanding errors is important. It makes you a better coder. You can write strong programs. Your programs will be robust. When an error appears, be calm. You will know what to do. You can read Python's clues. This skill is very valuable. It helps in all Python projects. Keep practicing to learn more. So, what is a... It is a specific message. Python sends it sometimes. It happens with functions. You give a function data, the data type is correct, but the value is not right. The function cannot use it. It is an inappropriate value. That is imagine buying shoes. The seller asks your size. Sizes are usually numbers. Blue is a type error. It is not a number. But size 500 is different. 500 is a number. Type OK. But size 500 is not a real size. This is like the value is wrong for shoes. Happens with built-in tools. Python has many functions. These functions expect certain values. Think about numbers, for example. Some functions want positive numbers. Give a negative, get an error. Or a function expects yes or no. Maybe could cause. The function has specific rules. It cannot process maybe. Let's see in code. Python has the function. It turns things into integers. An integer is a whole number. Gives you 123. This works perfectly fine, but try. Hello cannot become a number. Python will raise. The value hello is the problem. A common cause is converting text. Your program gets text input. This might be from a user. You want to use text as number, so you use or. If text is dog, not 20, then will fail. It raises the value dog is not numeric. This is a frequent issue. How can we fix this? Python has a tool for this. It is a block. You to do risky code, like if happens, Python jumps, it jumps to. There you handle the error. You can print a helpful message or use a default safe value. Another case is with lists. Lists are item collections. You find an item's position. The method helps. What if item is not there, cannot find it, so it raises. The item you searched for is missing. Its absence makes it an invalid value. To fix issue, check first, before. Ask if item is in list, use. If true, then find index. If not, you can skip, or tell the user gently. This avoids your program runs more smoothly. Always anticipate bad values. The best way is prevention. Always check inputs carefully, especially from users or files. This data might be unexpected. Validate it before you use it. Check if it is good. Is it the right kind of value? Is it in the expected range? This practice is input validation. It is a very good habit. For numbers from text, use checks. Before, check it. Strings have. Is true if all digits. If true is safe. If not, ask user again. Or handle it another way. Think about your function's rules. What makes a value valid? Code these checks directly. Writing clear code also helps. Use good names for variables. Make function names clear. Add comments for tricky parts. If code is easy to read, it is easier to spot problems. You know what data is expected. Clear code has fewer traps. It is simpler to debug, and easier for others to understand. Can still happen, even with good planning. The key is to handle them. Use blocks. This makes programs robust. They will not crash easily. Users have a better time. Managing errors is very vital. It is a mark of good coding. You become a more confident programmer.